We're going to be looking at the magic of Christmas at the Wyatt house, where they display over 30 Christmas trees. Let me show you.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter.
So unfortunately, today and tomorrow is the last day of this. So when you, if you get the video, by the time you see this video, it's gone. But I still wanted to record it and showcase the Christmas tree, the history of Christmas trees from the early inception till 2020. And like I said, there's 30 Christmas trees to look at. Beautifully done in the Wyatt house, which is a beautiful heritage home right behind me.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight, glory stream from heaven afar. Heavenly hosts sing Alleluia. Christ the Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and old lang syne?
Beautiful home, beautiful trees. I hope you enjoyed the video. You know what to do. If you did like the video, please subscribe to my channel. There's more videos like this, how we live in Canada. And share it with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell, as it will help me notifying you of new videos, and it will help me grow my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.